We are going to start at musictheory.net. The app version of this website, there are two of them, Theory Lessons and Tenuto. Theory Lessons provide a more in-depth and transportable analysis on music theory, while Tenuto only is used as a mobile piano. So what we're first going to do, we're going to click Lessons at the top left of the screen, and then we will choose a lesson depending on what we have chosen for class. For my example, I will choose Measures and Time Signatures, which is under the topic of the basics. In this one, we can see multiple different options that we can click on. For this purpose, I will show you what happens when you click on, for example, time signatures define the amount and type of notes that each measure contains. We now see the difference that it has divided this bar staff in half. And if we scroll a little bit down, we see that if we click on 6/8 time contains 6/8 notes, it will show us the 6th, the 8th, and our 8th notes and how many go into 6/8. This allows us to see a more visual representation of it. But if we go to the right top of the screen and we click Images, instead of a slideshow, we can now just scroll down and see each individual picture attached to its description, if you prefer that. We will now click the home screen, and we are going to click on Exercises, which can be found right next to Lessons. We will scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, look for an area titled For Teachers, and we are going to click Exercise Customizers. There will be different options and different categories. For example, staff identification, staff construction, keyboard identification, fretboard identification, and ear training. Choose the one that best suits your lesson plan. For this example, we are going to use keyboard chord identification. Once you've clicked it, you will be met with multiple different options. With these options, you can choose how many chords you want to test on. You can select all of them, or you can select just a couple of them, whatever you so desire. You can also have the option of choosing inversions or non-inversions. Highlight style, you can either do the entire key or just the dot of the note. You can choose to go on to the next question either immediately, or you can wait after the audio is sounded or after an animation is finished. And lastly, you can choose whether or not you want challenge mode on, with no question limit or 100 question limit, no time limit, or a 30-minute time limit. You can also choose if the students get multiple different attempts. At the bottom of this section, there will be a link that you can click on, and it will take you immediately to the challenge. And each challenge, once completely finished, will move on to the next one however you chose before. Once finished, you can go back to the home screen and then choose whatever you like.